Hello and welcome to day 68 of Bedtime Welsh and a little bit more practice around gwylio and wneud and so on today. So hopefully this won't be too... Oh, got some fighting cats. That's entertaining. Anybody want to buy some cats from us? Or okay, I will pay people to take these cats away. Look, they're all over the place. Your cats, your problem. Do something about them. Okay, no, we need to do a Welsh lesson, don't we? So, how about, do you want to watch television? Do you want to watch television?
Wyt ti isio gwylio teledu?
Wyt ti isio gwylio teledu? Do you want to buy our cats? No, that's not right. Wyt ti isio prynu ein cathod? Please. How about a real one for you? Do you want to watch television tonight?
Wyt ti isio gwylio teledu heno?
Wyt ti isio gwylio teledu heno? Okay, now let's give you a slightly longer one. See if this one can make you sweat a little bit. Or are you going to do something?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth? If you got all of that, that's stunningly good. Don't worry if you didn't. Okay, how about, or are you going to do something interesting?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth diddorol?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth diddorol? Okay, and finally for tonight, are you going to watch television tonight?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wylio teledu heno?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wylio teledu heno? Da iawn, excellent, well done. Seriously, if you want some cats, please just email us. I'm sure we can put them in the post. Can we put them in the post? That was a yes. That was a yes. We'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!